Yup, it's your boy Geezo back with another video. And today, let me take this Apple Watch off. Y'all see the Apple Watch? Let me see the Apple Watch. Oh man. You done a 7-day workout. Okay. Damn, it keep rolling off. Fuck it. I was gonna show y'all. Today, it's your boy Geezo, and today, one more time for the haters, guys. And today. Hey, I wanted to show y'all that. There you go. Y'all see it? Got the Richard Mille on there too. All right. Look, guys. Today, what we're gonna talk about, man, is why. Yes, why I really get mad at these lobster classes. Okay, so this is a Cuban. Spent a few dollars on it, not too much. It's not gold, it is silver. Okay, it's silver. But it has this lobster class, and it's still together. It hasn't broken. But the class came off of this loop right here. So, and the loops are so small. Now I got to figure out my big hands. You see my big hands? Now I got to try and put this back on it, right? And it's just like, it's just too much for me, man. I got to figure that out. So that's going to take me about an hour because my hands are so big. I got fingernails, so I probably could use it that way. I'm going to have to put my glasses on because I can't really see. I mean, I can see it, but I just need it magnified. You know what I mean? But this is a solid chain. This chain is really good. It actually can hold the big pendant, which is heavy. So you can wear this. I could wear this with my bigger pendant. Instead of the little small, I put the little gorilla on there. You know what I mean? But I could put the bigger piece on it. It holds. I'm gonna show you guys. This is what I have on it all the time, but it can actually hold this, right? Actually can hold this. Let me show you. It can actually hold this. You know what I mean? So, with no problem. Like, it holds this very well. But I'm gonna get a new Cuban. Because the problem is I don't like I'm gonna get the box class or something better. You know what I mean? Probably a box class. I think I like those better. But I'm gonna still rock this one once I figure out how to put this back on here, which it should be fairly simple because if you see it, this is the class right here. It was connected there, but when I went to take it off, it slid right off of here. And I'm like, damn, okay. So it'll go back on. It's just, I just don't, I'd be like, man, come on. Right. But yeah, so. And these things are nice, though. It's still nice. If it had like a box class or a different class on it, and maybe I could put a different one on there, but like, if it had something that connect like this, it should. If we could get a magnet, that'd be great too. But I'm just making up shit now, right? But yeah, I think a better clasp will help this. But I mean, for the most part, it's a good chain. But that really pissed me off. That's why I don't like those lobster chains, man. I mean, lobster clasp. Because of that, it'd be fine if they was welded on here, like if they're welded together. Like it should have been. I don't think it should have these little loops on here, like like the key loops. That's basically what it is. I think it should be. This should have been like this whole part should have been the lobster clasp. When they put it on there, the lobster clasp should have been connected here. I don't really like this style. I guess because it breaks so much, that's why they do it. Because lobster clasps are easy to break. I'm assuming that's why they do that. So that way you can replace it. I would say that's why, you know. Again, man, this is a good chain for the price. I got it off of Amazon, actually. It's nice. Nice chain. I'll probably get another one. Well, no, I probably won't. I said I was gonna get the the ones with the box class. Yeah, that's the one I get. So I don't think they have those on Amazon, to be honest. They might have a bigger version of this. They might have a little bigger version of this. We'll see. We'll see how it goes, which one I get. But I hate the lobster class, guys. And I didn't used to hate it. I'd be like, why are people so mad at it? But lately, been having lots of trouble with lobster class. You know what I mean? Like, lots of trouble. The other chain, I think I showed y'all this before, right? Did I show you guys this before? This one is broke. I mean, it's still usable. This is silver as well, but this is still usable. But if you can see it, it's broke. That's broke too. You know what I mean? So, and yeah, I probably could. That's probably why they make it like this, so you can replace it. And I probably could get a new one, and that'll be that. But you know what I mean? That's broke. But this is this is what I like to wear when I'm just chilling. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? This combination right here is what I like to wear, to be honest. You know what I mean? Like, I like to wear like this. These two together, you know what I mean? I like to wear these two together when I ain't going nowhere, and I'll put all of them on, you know what I mean? I'll put this one on too if I'm going out, and I just feel like keeping these on as a combination, you know what I mean? So that's how I would do that. But these two lobster clasps are broke. They'll get fixed though. This one is still usable, so I'm gonna just keep rocking it until I can't rock it no more. Yeah. That's how that goes. It is what it is. This is definitely one of my favorites, guys. And it forever will be. This thing hits like crazy. Yeah, that thing hits crazy, like crazy. Yeah, so that is the reason why I hate the lobster class. I used to like, I'm like, I don't see why people, but now I see. Now I see. But again, it's seriously not that big of a deal because you can't order your own lobster class. You just got to make sure it matches your particular thing, because that's the trick. You know, the gold plating on it. This is nice gold plating. This is nice gold plating as well. But you know what I mean? I think it's different gold plating. Like, this is more like a richer, you know what I mean, 14, 18 karat gold type thing. This is more 10 karat gold type of thing, you know what I mean? So, different. Unless it's fading. It could be fading. Let's see if it's fading or not. But still, it's like a 10 karat gold type thing. It's a little fade there. You can't notice it. It's a little fade there, but this one, no fade. This one's a little fade. Just a little bit. But I wear it, again, I wear it a lot. It's rubbing a lot, so that is what actually caused fading too, is the chain rubbing against the bell, and you know what I mean? That's what caused the fading. But we was talking about the lobster class, so let's get back to the lobster class. The lobster class is like, oh man. Again, it's not really that big of a deal because you can fix it. I guess that's why they make it like that. But I think if they made it just a little more sturdier, a little more thicker paws, if they did that, then you wouldn't have to have these problems. But to each his own. Guys, you let me know. Do you like lobster classes? How many chains do you have with lobster classes? And yeah, I really like this rope chain. If it was like if it was silver, man. If it was in silver, this would be great. This one I ordered. I just ordered it just because. And I put this clasp right there. I put that on there. But it's still missing the loop part. So now you got to find a loop to stick it in. Pause. Yeah. So this was stainless steel. I ordered this on Amazon too. But if I can find a gold rope like this, rose gold rope like this, or a Cuban. I think I seen the Cuban. And I'm gonna get the Cuban. But a rope like this will be great. Cause look, it's like perfect actually. I don't know if the color looks a tiny bit off, but I mean, sheesh, you can't really tell it. For a stainless steel chain, it ain't bad. I'm not gonna wear that though. I'm not gonna wear it. There's nothing wrong with wearing stainless steel. I would wear stainless steel. There's nothing wrong with that. It's just that this one is not. I don't even feel like this is real stain. I don't think this is stainless steel. Let me see if it's stamped on there, on this thing, because there's no stamp on here. So that's why I don't wear this. This is not real stainless steel. I paid like $11. I wanted to see if it was really stainless steel. You know what I mean? I really wanted. It came in a pouch that says stainless steel. You know what I mean? But it was only $11. I know that's not. You know what I mean? Even though stainless steel is cheap, but $11 though, you're gonna pay at least $30. God damn, $11. So, but it's nice. Look, it's holding up. I'm just not gonna wear it because I don't. And it's broke, so I would wear it. You seen me put it on. I put it on in videos. That's why I don't wear my Jeep pendant, because I don't really have a chain to go with it. You know what I mean? I could. One time I put it on here. I was like, it don't look right together. You know what I mean? So, but I'll try it again. Maybe I could use the white gold one. Maybe that'll work. But like I said, guys, lobster clasps are annoying. And let's not say hate. Let's not say hate, because I still might buy something with lobster clasp on it. A lobster clasp on it. Let's say I'm just not, it's annoying. There we go. It's just too annoying sometimes. But other than that, it's okay. I know the last time y'all seen my last video, I had the big Jesus piece on. Again, I'm not wearing that anymore. I might give that to my dad if he wants it, if he'll wear it. Yeah, you know, religious pieces. I mean, I'm gonna still wear religious pieces, just stuff that I have learned about, you know what I mean, history of black people, you know what I mean, stuff like that. That's what I'm gonna wear now. You know what I mean? I'll wear all that stuff. You get me? That's what I'm gonna do. But yeah, I'm out, guys, because that's it. Oh yeah, no, I'll do that next video. All right, I'm out, guys. Oh, don't forget, if you want to support me, and I appreciate you for watching this video. If you can't buy the vendors list, if you can't support, donate to the channel, or however you say, you can actually watch all the ads on this video, and you also can actually, stream my music on Apple Music or wherever it is that you stream music at. You can stream it. Just keep playing it. You need to be honest. If you want to, you can just keep clicking. You can click on it, let it run. You can turn it down and everything. Just let it run about 100 times, 200 times. You know what I mean? That's all you gotta do. I don't ask much. But guys, for real, you don't really have to do none of that stuff. I'm just, you know what I mean? Just giving you ways to support. Just being here watching me is really enough. So I appreciate it. Peace.